you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it back.
We are off to my first meeting of the day. I overnighted an Amazon cord and it literally got here just in time. Let's see, I think they just delivered it because, yeah, 15 minutes ago. So, like I was telling you guys, the one that I've been using is finally broken and I need it for Apple CarPlay. So, I've been struggling without it, but this had even better reviews than the Apple one and it was $4.35 or something. So, lucked out on that. And I didn't have time to eat breakfast. I filmed a reel this morning of my outfit because I really wanted to style this bomber jacket that Natalie gave me. It's actually reversible. It's purple on the inside. Haven't decided which one I'm gonna rock today, but I just brought some blueberry Cheerios to snack on, and then I have my water. So our first meeting is a variable time frame. It starts at 10, so every week it is very different. So I'm gonna get there literally right on time. I'm hoping I can maybe cut down like 2 minutes because right now it's 10 o'clock on the dot. I was supposed to get there a little bit earlier than that, like 5 to 10 minutes earlier, but it's raining. I had to take Bailey out and the time really snuck up on me as I spent my time filming an Instagram reel. All right, so change of plans. We're heading to the office. So that meeting is gonna be virtual. When the guy emailed everyone yesterday, they didn't add me to it. And so, it's now 9:45 and one of my coworkers just called me and he was like, hey, I don't know if we mentioned to you about the meeting. And I was like, oh no. And they were like, is she at Oliver today? And then they were like, oh my God, no, they didn't attach her to the email. So it's no biggie because I hadn't taken the exit yet, so I'm still heading in the right direction to go to work. But I literally had the inkling this morning to be like, maybe I should just Slack them and make sure we still have this meeting, because I remembered overhearing that one of the people was going to be away, but that they were going to do it anyways. So I guess they decided to do it virtually. I'm parked so far away, but I think I've decided I'm going to do the purple. Be fun today.
Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the trip.
Here we go, time for the escape.
I don't wanna slap me up, think that I'm going to fit. I don't wanna play, right about talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, my body feels that I got you to.
So I'm gonna grab lunch real quick. Our meeting was moved, so it's 1:45 now, and I am about to head to Towson. The only good thing about working in Baltimore is that I'm not that far away from Towson, but the worst thing about going to Towson is leaving Towson. My normal 45 minute drive takes like an hour and a half. It's an absolute nightmare every single time. But I'm just glad the rain has calmed down, because hopefully that means it won't be as bad because people aren't driving so slow. So I'm just gonna go to Felipe's and get tacos. I would have had to leave a tiny bit earlier if I wanted to get pho, because they still gotta make it and sit. I will say that pho place uptown is very, very fast, but I don't want to risk being late. Also, I cannot get my reel to go up properly, and I don't know what's going on, but it's really annoying. I also just hit my exercise goal. just 5 minutes for today. Wow. What a fitness influencer I am. I'm like, oh my god, I'm so hungry. And then I eat 2 tacos. And now I'm full.
Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this.
We have been filming TikToks. Probably gonna leave in the next 15 minutes or so. But it's been a pretty chill day. I don't have too much to do when I get home. I still gotta unpack though. Unpack my suitcase, get my room together, maybe do an at-home workout. We shall see. Maybe we'll just do workout tomorrow. So, my mom and I are about to watch the new Sebastian Maniscalco special on Netflix. I didn't even realize he was doing one because I somehow, I guess, didn't see if there was any press for this special. I feel like I always see so much press, so much stuff on YouTube whenever there's like a new Netflix comedy special, but I didn't get any for him, so I don't know. Maybe I'm not the target demographic like I thought I was. But I wanted to show you guys something that I recently bought and finally came in the mail. So if you're not into luxury stuff, then this is most likely the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed and will check out my next Vlogmas. But I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. So this was a purchase that was heavily influenced by influencers. This was one of the bags that YSL had all of the influencers, I would say pretty subtly, but very much so peddling on Instagram. And it's probably one of the most expensive bags that they actually have. So I have the YSL, I think it's called the Jamie bag, and I really, really like it. The leather is so supple though, and it's like just scratched to bits. But I got that last year for my birthday. That was one of my birthday presents to myself. And I really, really like their stuff. But I will say, I feel like their stuff is so elegant and classy, and I feel like that's not my style. I don't know. Like, I try to be every now and then, but I feel like truly I'm more of like an eclectic person, and I just feel like it always looks too dressy for my outfits. But I couldn't help myself. So I use my Telfar bag right now for work. I have the medium size one. Highly recommend. Absolutely love it. The large would be way too big, but the medium is almost a tiny bit too small. Like, I need something that's like right in between. I feel like they need a size that's in between the medium and the large. I mean, they're pretty close in size, but I feel like if there's just something in between, it would be perfect. And they definitely need something between the little tiny small one and the medium. I don't understand. But nonetheless, I've been using that for a couple months now, and it just gets so heavy, and I just need a tiny bit more space. So I finally gave in, and I just went ahead and I got this bag. I think this bag is called the I Care Maxi. It was like something weird. I didn't have to go through a personal shopper or anything for this one, so I don't know if that means the influencers did their job or not, but I was able to just order it online. But it is called the Saint Laurent I Care Maxi shopping bag in quilted lambskin. So I will link it down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. But the shipping was pretty fast. It says you can still get delivery by Christmas if you order by December 21st. So if you want to get a cute bag for a loved one, highly recommend. Haven't used it yet, so I don't know how much I can recommend it, but I watched at least 10 reviews on this bag before I bought it. So this is what she looks like. It is this beautiful quilting look. I feel like the only other brand that does quilting as well as YSL. What? I literally cannot talk. I don't know why I try and talk so fast. The only other brand that does quilting as well as YSL is definitely Chanel. But I liked this bag because of the way that you can cinch it. So right now it's in like its smaller state because there is a hole here where you just put the chain through. I was like, that's so cool, because I will not lie, this bag is obnoxiously large and looks a little bit silly. And it's kind of ironic that I wanted this because I'm such a tiny bag girl. Like, my bags are like micro bags. But this is what it looks like when it's completely expanded. So it's pretty big. I feel like it doesn't look that crazy when I'm just holding it, but when it's like over my shoulder, you're like, that's a big bag. So I don't think this is anything I would use for the airport because so I wouldn't really feel safe having it. It also comes with a pouch, which I thought was really cool. There's a zipper pocket on the inside, but like I wouldn't be able to just sit this down because it's immediately gonna fall over. There's no feet or anything like that. It's just kind of a tote bag style, but I liked that you could cinch it so I can have it out like this for days where I need to bring a lot of stuff, or I can just take the long metal strap and just put it through the other side. I love that YSL always has lots of branding and everything on their hardware, and this is so soft. I will say this one doesn't feel like it's going to scratch as much as the bag that I have now, which is good, so I'm excited about that. But I love her. I apologize if today's vlog was like a little bit boring. I work the whole entire day, so there's only so much I can document, but hopefully as Vlogmas goes on, I'll get some ideas of stuff that I can put in here. If there's anything specific you guys want to see content-wise outside of the vlogs, or even stuff that you'd like to see me share in the vlogs that maybe I haven't thought of, let me know in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram at @lauandwas, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 5 p.m. I think is our time. I think so. Editing me will put it in here, but I believe we're gonna go with 5 p.m. So I love you guys. Bye.